Okay, when you receive this unit, you are to take the sheet that's at the bottom off before using, but it also has styrofoam on the inside, which just got dislodged and tore this apart. So I guess I'm going to need a new insert. You put this on top of your laundry. I guess it keeps it from flipping out. And this is the styrofoam that came out of the bottom, which it did when I first got it, and I guess there was some stuck. I have no idea how this piece got caught up somewhere, maybe under a ledge or something. I'm not sure why it just got ripped, because it obviously was going around. Anyways, it's been good, but this is just not a good way to pack and ship. I need to fix it. And now I gotta get one of these.